guys, welcome back to I Bet You Didn't Know. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away? My name is Amna and here are 10 facts I bet you didn't know about the history of plastics and paper. The first kind of artificial plastic, Parkesine, was created in 1856 by an English chemist. He presented a number of objects he made using this plastic in both London and Paris. In 1870, John Wesley Hyatt added camphor to the original plastic and renamed it celluloid. This made them a lot of money. In 1907, a Belgian chemist created a new material called bakelite. It remained popular for almost half a century. Bakelite was also used to manufacture domestic electrical appliances, toys, and jewelry. Rolls-Royce began using a type of plastic to make their cars, and it became even more popular during the 20th century. 1960s onwards, there was an increase in the types of plastics used, including silicone and acrylics. I bet you didn't know paper making is a Chinese invention. It is recorded that an emperor's official cut a tree bark and pounded it into a sheet. And so the Chinese started using paper for everyday things like tea bags, wrapping paper, and money. The Arabs learned paper making from Chinese prisoners, and the first paper making industry was born in Baghdad. Several centuries after the Arabs and the Chinese, the Spanish learned how to make paper. They became the first paper making industry in Europe. The new paper, along with the inventions of the fountain pen, pencil, and steam-driven rotary printing press, caused a major transformation in 19th century life. These allowed for book publishing, school books, and newspapers. How many of these facts did you know? Is there anything you would like to add? We would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for a bunch of new things I bet you didn't know.
There's always something new at ToffeeTV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.